Alright, this is Timothy McCourry for my first coding assignment video for the class, and I am going to do coding problem 1 and 2. Alright, just for a full transparency sake, I have the hints kind of brought up in case I get stuck, and in case I get really stuck. I actually done the coding assignment last night. But I'm not going to rely on those. I'm going to try not to rely on those too much. Just basically have them as a reference if I do get really stuck. Alright, since I kind of got the whole transparency. Actually, now I think about it, I probably should put it in this tab too. Now, actually, if I put well, looks like I'm gonna have to put it as this full thing. Anyway, let's get started. First, I'm gonna copy this. Alright, so first we gotta put up the string, which in this case is sorry for the cough. S equal all that. And then we put up a vowels, which is what we're looking for. Now, I should probably put up the hints instead. Like I said, I don't want to rely on that too much. Then, for character in S, if char equal A, which is basically setting up how the code is going to scan for the vowels in the thing, and I'm going to have to put all the vowels on here, not just A. Oh yeah, also I need to, that, vowels plus equal 1. And just to test it, print it was a number of vowels, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to do it like that. Number of vowels. Alright. Vowels. And then yeah. I also need to put 1 there. Oh yeah, I also need to indent that too. If I remember. Alright, so 2. Looks like it's working so far. And now, what I'm basically gonna do now is, since the code is pretty much since the way to get the Since the way to get the other vowels is basically the same, I'm just going to go ahead and copy paste this 5 times. Oh, not like that. Sorry. I'm sorry for swearing. I didn't. F, and put that back in the right place. Sorry for coughing so much, just allergies, they suck. E and O, that'll be O, that'll be U, and the last one is it's A-E-I, okay, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I. Although, the order of these probably wouldn't really make a difference, since it's still, no matter which order I put them, I'll still count all the vowels in the thing. Alright, so since I got all that set up, just gonna hit the fancy Shift-Enter, Number of vowels is 5. Alright, so I'm just going to save that real quick. And head on to problem 2, which actually isn't that much farther than what we gotta do for problem 1. It's just a few extra steps. So again, put in the string. And this time, instead of looking for pattern, we're looking for our boy Bob, who seems to be trapped in these cursed halls. Bob equals 0. Alright. For I basically setting up how we're gonna search for this. For I in 0 since it's technically 15 kind of digits or letters, the things to go through. 15 minus 1. Then so not this. I plus 3. Not like that. Excuse me, I really need to get that checked out. 15. Oh, I gotta do it like that, my bad. Sub equal long, once, sorry. Equal J, more sub. I think both of these are ifs. And of course, bam, bam, so all these functions can link to each other and actually work. But if it's not right, alright. Bob plus equal 1. And then to check if this is working, print number of Bobs, number of Bobs. I think that's how you say it in this. Number of times Bob occurs. That's what I'm looking for. Number of times Bob occurs. Sorry. Alright. Just put it there. Put a comma there and then put Bob. So it'll make sure to print all the time Bobs happen. And bam. Okay. And I just put a parentheses there. And I guess remove the thing from there. Expected indent. So I guess I'm going to have to put it here. So valid. Yes, that makes sense. Unexpected indent. Makes sense. What do you want from me? There we go. This is just supposed to be like, I forgot how it goes. There we go. Number of times Bobs occur is 4, but that isn't exactly right. Since the number of Bobs that are supposed to occur is actually just 2. So if I have to assume I plus free means it's kind of going back through the code, or it's kind of scanning the code a little bit more to get more info. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. Still 4, alright. And Bob's. I mean, fuck. Yeah, that still doesn't work like that, which is weird. It used to. More time Bob occurs. Only supposed to be 2 Bob. Alright. Let's 0, I, J. That's supposed to look for the S. S equals the pattern. Yes, Bob plus equals 1. I'm still gonna try to get this by myself. And go ahead and save it. Sub it to the pattern. Actually, what if I just get rid of that? Okay. It wouldn't actually work. Now, basically, before I am 15 and before J is supposed to kind of look for. Oh, I think I. No, that. Maybe. Just gonna cut this real quick and. Oh, okay, so that's how I'm supposed to do it. So basically, for I and 0, comma 15 minus 1, and for J and I is kind of supposed to look for the amount of times Bob is used in the string. And since it's only used twice, it'll, the sub, it kind of gets, the sub means to kind of scan I from I to J, which in that case is 0 to 15 minus 1, and for J it's just 1. And I think I knew it was throwing me off. Since, if I put, actually, what happens if I put 3? Yeah, so if I put like I plus 3, that affects nothing, but if I put 15 there, that means it kind of goes through. Well, the code kind of goes through the string to see from I to J, the kind of parameters set up with I to J to see how many Bobs in. Since I put 15 in here twice, that kind of scans through the code twice. So I don't need that. In fact, I'm wondering if I could just like get rid of that and make it a little bit cleaner. Okay, cool. So I can also do that. Sorry. Really need to get that checked out. Anyway, basically goes through that function basically goes through the code, scan how many times Bob occurs, and it kind of. Oh, and also the sub, since the pattern is Bob, it knows it's supposed to look for a Bob. And if I were to put something else on here like A, then it would search for the same result, but if I put something like B, or I'm probably getting it wrong. Regardless, that's how you do coding problems 1 and 2. And I apologize for coughing my head off during this entire video. Hopefully next time I won't be coughing so much. Anyway, hope you have a good day, and I hope I did a good job with this. No, wait, no. Just ignore that.